So I've got some pretty bad water, and it's pretty difficult to keep the shower clean. I've got a big shower with a lot of glass, and I've used this product once before, and I used my drill to clean the shower, but I didn't keep up on the protectant part of it. So I didn't like using the drill that much, even if I put the handle on it. So I tried the Ryobi scrubber, and this is the product that I used on it. And here it is with the drill first. You can see it bounces around quite a bit. I mean, you can get the job done. I did it before. It was okay. But here's with the scrubber, and it may look like it's the same, but it actually wasn't. It actually felt a lot easier to use the scrubber than with a drill. So this is just doing a little spot. See how clean it got. And then I'm just using a squirt bottle with water in it. And it comes out pretty good. So then after I did this whole panel here, I went ahead and applied this protectant. And I am wearing a mask with this being in that, confined area. And that panel came out pretty good. I'm going to do them all later, but I wanted to leave them for comparison so you can see after a shower here how the water beads up there, and it's kind of streaky here, so the water's running off of that panel. And this is after a week. You can see that one panel is still pretty bad, and this panel is pretty clear. So I like that product. I'll leave it in the description, a link to it, and I like the scrubber. I didn't know if I was going to like it or not, but I did. And thanks for watching.